In this quick video, we are going to troubleshoot a Chromecast USB device that is no longer connecting to the Wi-Fi or will not connect to the Wi-Fi. So it's fairly simple to do. You may be connecting it to your computer, you might be buffering it with your phone, or you might have it connected to a TV and it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So there's several things to do. First, check your device, whether it's the phone or the Wi-Fi router down there. Make sure you're able to connect different devices to it, like a laptop or your phone. If you're not, then you know the issue is not with your Chromecast, it's the issue with the router itself. So what I'd highly recommend you do is unplug everything. Unplug your Chromecast from the TV or the computer. Restart your phone or power it off, or turn off your router, your Wi-Fi router completely. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Plug everything back in. Plug your Chromecast back in, or turn your phone back on, and then see if that will work. That's basically a soft reset. You'll find that this does work. Next thing you can do is make sure that the password is correct on your Wi-Fi router, that you're verifying it that's correct when you enter it in with the Chromecast. That's a very, very common problem. And the next thing what I want you to do, let's say if you have your Chromecast connected to the HDMI on your phone or on your TV, for example, try a completely different HDMI outlet. So if, for example, if you have an Xbox and one of the other ones, unplug it and then plug that Chromecast in the other device, and it's very, very possible, or the other HDMI, it's very possible that it's that HDMI connection that maybe it's broken temporarily. You could try a different USB cord. Now, the Chromecast uses a mini USB, the older ones that's used with the old Samsung Galaxies, for example. It doesn't use a USB-C, so you might need to replace the cord on there. That is a very possibility. One other thing you could do is move your Chromecast closer to the Wi-Fi source. So for example, if you have a phone and it's across the room, make sure it's close. If you are setting up, make sure that you're not in another room temporarily. Try to get as close to the Wi-Fi router as possible for setup. All right, for example, on this TV, I would try to set it up on this TV if I'm going to be using this on another room. And then once I get connected, then take it to the other room. It just might have a problem connecting initially. And then when you take it to the other room, then it would start working again. And then finally, last but not least, is to actually do a hard factory reset. Now, there's two ways to do it. If you're in your TV, on your TV, for example, go to your Chromecast rather, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Settings in Google, and then you're going to go to More, and then you do a factory reset. You can reset it that way, or while it's plugged up to its power source, the TV or the computer, you're going to hold down this little button here. As you can see, it's right next to the cord, and it'll click, and you hold that down for 25 seconds, and you don't let go. Go ahead and count, and you're going to see a series of red turn from red to white. And if you're on your TV, for example, it will turn your screen black temporarily, and that will be a factory reset. Now, I'm pretty confident one of those should fix your Wi-Fi issue. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.